Hello, Myers. This is the Centrum 1000, Weidemann Centrum 1000. Okay, that's the controller right there. And if you see, this is something like something in the back of the machine. I think this is the front, and this is where the punches go. I think, I don't know, but take a look at it. Let me know. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. See, these are left for the customer left these tools on top of the machine. And there is a, I don't know, it looks like a compressor or something, but it belongs to the machine. Okay, so we keep going this way. Okay, see it? Okay, and this is, like I told you, this is like a big box, I don't know. And below that is the motors, the air pressures and hydraulic pressure, I don't know, yeah, hydraulic pressure. Hoses, see, all this. You can see a big chain inside there. That's to connect it to this box on top. See this box. Okay, then this is for the high voltage to turn it on. This is a controller with the fans. This is a controller. Okay. And then, yeah, this is still the controller where you put your operating manuals right there. And that's what the machine is. Mike, can you please move a little bit? Mike. See? Okay. Let me go back, Mike, this way. So if you see it, this is from other view, right here. And this is the other view on the other side. Okay? All right.